New Era Debt Solutions offers debt settlement programs for consumers struggling to keep up with different types of unsecured debt. The company also has resources dedicated specifically to settling credit card debt. This alone makes it a prime choice for those struggling with multiple high-interest credit card accounts and who are looking for solutions to get out of debt in under 3 years. Types of debt settled by New Era Debt Solutions. New Era Debt Solutions settles unsecured debt or debt that isn't backed by collateral. This can include credit cards, department store cards, signature loans, personal lines of credit, old repossessions, other unsecured debts, old judgments, private student loans in default. New Era Debt Solutions pros and cons. Weigh the advantages and disadvantages of working with New Era Debt Solutions to address any debt issues. Pros: free debt analysis, services and resources available in Spanish. Most clients become debt-free in 2 to 3 years. Cons: unclear minimum debt requirements and fees. No weekend support for existing customers. Not available in every state. Debt relief qualifications. New Era Debt Solutions has been in business for over 20 years and carries a professional trade association membership with the American Fair Credit Council. In terms of customer restrictions, New Era Debt Solutions isn't available everywhere. You can only enroll in its debt settlement program if you qualify and live in one of the states serviced. Along with that, the minimum debt requirements are unclear. Services. To start the process, you'll need to fill out an online contact form and schedule a free consultation. The form will ask you to share your name, phone number, state, email, how much unsecured debt you owe. From there, a debt specialist will get in touch with you, explain the program and answer any questions you may have. Once the specialist learns more about your situation, they can help you figure out how much you can save and how long the debt settlement process would take. If you decide to pursue the program, you'll make one deposit into a savings account every month. In 6 to 12 months, when the funds begin to add up, the debt specialists will negotiate settlements with your creditors. Once you settle and pay off all your accounts, you'll complete the program. Fees and penalties. New Era Debt Solutions is not transparent about its fees. While it makes it clear that there are no upfront fees and it uses a performance-based fee model, the company does not reveal a free range like many of its competitors do. Credit score impacts. Working with New Era Debt Solutions can damage your credit score. What we like and what we don't like. With limited state availability and unclear requirements, New Era Debt Solutions may not be best for every sort of customer. Pros: free debt analysis. New Era Debt Solutions offers a free consultation. You can learn more about its services and find out if you're a good fit. Services and resources available in Spanish. If you're a native Spanish speaker and prefer to receive services in Spanish rather than English, New Era Debt Solutions has you covered online and over the phone. Most clients finish in less than 3 years. While the length of your program will depend on several factors, most of New Era's clients get out of debt in 27.73 months. Cons: unclear minimum debt requirements and fees. Even though New Era Debt Solutions states it doesn't charge monthly or upfront fees, it's not transparent about a fee range. It also fails to disclose minimum debt requirements. No weekend support for existing customers. New Era Debt Solutions doesn't serve its customers on the weekends. This can be an issue if you're particularly busy during the week. Not available in every state. While New Era does have a widespread presence in the US, it's not everywhere. Its services aren't an option if you live in Iowa, Maine, and Oregon. Customer experience and reviews. New Era Debt Solutions earned an A+ rating on the Better Business Bureau, BBB, and has 4.9 out of 5 stars on Trustpilot. In April 2021, however, Oregon filed a claim suing New Era Debt Solutions for its debt relief practices. According to the filing, New Era Debt Solutions didn't register with the state, violating Oregon state law. Since the company helped clients complete applications with the CFIN rather than providing debt relief services directly, it was required to cease and desist operations in Oregon. New Era Debt Solutions also had to pay a $50,000 penalty. Of the penalty, $40,000 was suspended, as long as the company does not violate Oregon law in the next 3 years and pays Oregon clients $22,265 in fees within 18 months. Currently, the company states that it does not serve Oregon. How to contact New Era Debt Solutions. Customers can contact New Era Debt Solutions for support in a few different ways. Specialists are available from Monday through Saturday between the hours of 7 a.m. and 8 p.m. PT, and current customers can gain support over the phone Monday through Friday between the hours of 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. PT. There is also support available over email for customers who have specific questions to be answered. What are the risks associated with debt settlement? Depending on the program, you may pay anywhere from 15% and 25% of the debt that gets resolved. Your credit score may also suffer and make it difficult for you to get approved for low rates and favorable terms. In addition, the process may take longer than you think, and you might also be on the hook for taxes on the forgiven debt. What are alternatives to working with New Era Debt Solutions? Other options to consider include DIY debt relief, balance transfers, credit counseling, or debt consolidation. Is New Era Debt Solutions a legitimate company? Yes, the company has been an accredited BBB business since 2001.